So this is the only suitcase that I'm carrying. It has got here, this section is all Tashi's clothes, day clothes, दिन के 2 कपड़े per day, 4 दिन के लिए जा रहे हैं. So I'm not carrying a separate accessories bag for Tashi. And this in here are all mine and Ashu's clothes. ये आशु का jacket है थोड़ा, it can be a little bit chilly in the night. So that's that. So that's my ready book. No, sorry, ऐसे करता है. Time हो रहा है ये. I use this TV screen as my second screen to do my trainings. I had straight silky hair. मैंने थोड़े bangs ज़रूर रखे होते, but because I have baby curly hair, तो जो bangs भी है ना वो घूम घूम के यहाँ पे ऐसे छल्ले बन जाते हैं. So I don't, और at मैं ऐसे तो कर पाती if not bangs, जिससे मेरा forehead थोड़ा छोटा हो जाता है. So let's see. चलो it is 6:26. I've just given a 15 minutes break to my batch, 8:15 to 8:30 का. So I'm utilizing that time to clip my nails. हमको सुबह 3:45 we plan to go down, 4 o'clock so that we can make a move. थोड़ा सामान हम कार में already रख आए हैं, and the other friends that are going with us stay in the same society, Ron and Deepika. तो उनके पास एक डॉग है और एक छोटी सी बेबी है अभी. I will meet you guys tomorrow morning. I'll show you how the routes are. I guess everybody knows how the routes are from Hyderabad to Bangalore, but I'll show you how it is from Bangalore to Coorg. We are going directly. Until then, that's it from today. Tata, bye bye. Pray for us that we reach safe and कोई problem ना हो. Tashi, you scared me. What are you doing here? Are you going for a bath? Hi guys, good morning. So today is the day when we are traveling. चाय पी रहे हैं और टाइम हो रहा है 2:46. That fits me better, but I like this more. Which one looks good?
Take this one.
Oh, what time it is now? 2:50. Hi Tashi. Good morning, baby. Are you excited?
Mama, it's not good morning.
It is good morning.
What is it morning?
It is not morning yet.
Are you good now? Mama, are we first packing our toys and go?
Yes. But you have to promise, you have to behave in the car and wear the seatbelt and sleep, okay? We will go in the car and then we will sleep, okay?
But Mama, I also want you to sit in the back.
No, I will not sit in the back. Sameera and Bruce will sit in the back in their car in Honda City, and you will sit in the back in Vento. Deepika Mashi and Ron uncle will sit in the front. Mama and Papa will sit in the front.
When I get down, I want to go to Ron uncle's car city.
But Bruce and Sameera are already sitting there, so you can't sit there.
I want to sit there.
As you see, the time is 4:10 and we are waiting for our other set of friends to get ready. Yes, we are going to Coorg. Both of us are ready. Both of us have taken our bath, done with our breakfast. What did you eat for breakfast, Tashi?
Some bindi.
Bhindi. She had a sunny side up. I had a sunny side up.
In lunch, I did have bindi.
Yes, in lunch you had. I am talking about the breakfast that you just had today. So just to kill time, see, I have Colleen and newspaper in my hand to go and clean the car. आशु आ रहा है और सोचा थोड़ा सामान ही रख देते हैं तब तक. अरे इसका तो ये पिचकारी खराब हो गया. 4:45 एक्चुअली 4:45 नीचे आएंगे, 4 o'clock चलेंगे, बट 5:20 नीचे आ रहे हैं। सामान टाइम भी रख देगी, हमारी पार्किंग है, गाड़ी निकल चुकी है यहाँ से, हम वॉक करके जा रहे हैं। नारायण हरे कुछ रख दो अंदर।
Mama,
यस
I want Ron uncle to come here.
लुक एट ब्रूस।
We have that. We have that. We have that.
Alright, making a move at 5:38 shows. Why does it show 8 or 18 minutes?
Because that is our first stop. It shows 4.
जब से हम स्टार्ट किए हैं बेसिकली वी हैवंट स्टॉप्ड। बहुत ही शैतान बच्चा है। ही इज व्हाट 3 years old नाउ। गाड़ी चला रहा है और बस रॉन लोग नीचे आ रहे हैं। साबी बोलो दबाएगा तो क्या करेगा?
एक्सेलरेटर।
हाँ क्या होगा? कैसे भागेगा बताओ ना।
And she's coming to meet you.
That's next.
Hello.
I am starting my YouTube channel.
Yeah? Awesome. Let's give a symbol to Mama. Do this, Taji.
Does it do this?
But look at this.
Papa.
So we picked Nikhil from the airport and now we are,
Papa, we are in the car.
started from
We're going.
the
Look
airport
at this.
to the place we are going to have.
Ashu, show your face to her dad once.
So we are going
This
to
is
a
Ashu.
pet friendly place जहाँ पे ब्रूस जा सकता है. So that's that.
Go.
Seat belt.
Dad, Mommy can see that. चलो पापा.
अंकल बोले कि सीट बेल्ट नहीं पहना. वाह.
नहीं मेरे को याद आया अभी।
My dad also said seat belt.
Attention to detail.
चलो पापा, bye.
हम लोग जा रहे हैं लंच करने. Cousin Priyanka, she stays in Bangalore. She just come to meet us. She's on angry now. It's about 4:45 and we just started from here, hoping that we will reach Coorg by 10:30. 5 hours का जर्नी है यहाँ से, बट आई थिंक थोड़ा चाय ब्रेक करते करते 1 घंटा और जोड़ी लेते हैं. अभी पेट्रोल भराना पड़ेगा वगैरह वगैरह. If you see, there's a lot of construction going on. And on top of that, I mean, if this was not sufficient, they have added like 1,000 speed breakers. Speed breakers were always there. It's not like something new that has
Diversion.
done. But if you see, there are like 1,000 diversions, so you have to like go left, go right, like this. It's just not like a smooth sailing road. So the route that we took since morning was from Hyderabad से we took the outer ring road, वहाँ से NH44 लेके Bangalore. Bangalore में we stopped at that place Vinny's for lunch. Pathetic place, never go there. And then वहाँ से we took the road that goes to Mysore. तो वही थोड़ा सा nice road आया. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गाइस रिमेंबर हम लोग बचपन में ये खाते थे? So the only problem with this Mysore road is the route and everything is very nice, but ये छोटे छोटे टाउन से होते हुए निकाले. जैसे अभी हम आए हैं चन्नापटना. This is चन्नापटना. ठीक है. चन्नापटना is basically famous for wooden toys. तो अब क्या होता है जब ऐसे टाउन से निकलते होते each town बेसिकली उनके क्राउड होते हैं. काम खत्म होने के बाद में सिग्नल्स आते हैं. So that kind of impacts your average speed. Although this is a 6-way highway, I guess looks quite broad, but traffic भी equally ज़्यादा है. Make me want. Say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. See, right there like thousands speed breakers. बहुत ही अच्छा सीन हो रहा है सनसेट का. इट्स लाइक वी आर ड्राइविंग इनटू द सन. इट्स जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. तेल वेल भर रहा है और वो आ रही है हमारी सिटी. दैट्स सैम एंड दैट इज रॉन. हेलो बेबी, व्हाट हैपेंड?
इसको बाल में क्या लगा?
Yeah, we have entered the Nomad's Ranch.
Is this the way to the jungle house?
Ah, yes, this is the way to the jungle house.
दीपिका क्रिकेट खेलने की जगह देखो.
हाँ, देखो ये तो है तो फार्म कैंप साइट.
चिकमंगलुरु टाइप्स.
सही है.
देखो आदमी बैठा है यहाँ पे.
रहता है ना ये लोग यहाँ पर.
देखो वर्कर्स कॉफी स्टेट वर्कर्स नहीं रखते हैं प्रॉपर्टी में.
ये लोग तो कहीं और अपना गाड़ी लगाए हैं. इसी रास्ते से गए. पिछली बार जब लोग आए थे तो यहाँ पे पानी वानी भी बह रहा था. मतलब स्प्रिंकल हो रहा था ना प्लांटेशंस के लिए. दिस इज अ कॉफी
ऐसा
प्लांट.
रास्ता देखे मेरे को जुरासिक पार्क बहुत लगा.
सोचो अभी तो टी-रेक्स आ जाएगा ऊपर से पेड़ से.
ओह माय गॉड.
मेरा ठीक है मेरे गोली
Please right.
ये किस तरफ गया ये लोग?
लेफ्ट गया
हाँ मेरे को
left,
लगा.
क्योंकि लाइट है वहाँ.
Mama, inside the trees I saw a lion.
See, Bruce is out. And I see the tent also.
What tent? What tent?